Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be dealing with React. First thing you should know about React is it's a framework. So what is a framework? A framework is literally a frame, just like you have the skeleton to your body, the same way you have the frame of a house. React is that kind of framework. So what this framework is kind of like the building block for codes. It is the arrangement in which software provides greater functionality that can be extended by additional user written codes. What this means is even if I have my own code and there is some kind of font I want from someone else's code, this makes it easier to just put that into my code. It allows a standard way of creating applications. It literally sets that bar of the way applications are supposed to be made. Those are what frameworks are. And best of all, functions are reusable. What this means is you don't have to go starting all the way from the beginning again. You could pick up like the style you took from a website you created before and use it again. So that is time saving, and it takes away the time consuming aspects of typing codes for websites. So what does it do? I said earlier, it simplifies the process of creating web applications. It is very time saving and uses third party packages. Examples of frameworks are Angular, React, which we'll be dealing with today, Vue, Redux, Meteor, Mithril, Polymer, Aurelia. There are a lot more, but these are the only ones we'll be focused. These are the major ones, or the most popular ones I could find. There's still many others, but these are the most popular ones I know of today, according to the 2019 stat list I looked up on Google. So, what is React? React is a JavaScript library created by Facebook. Keyword there is library. Remember what I said in the beginning about frameworks? So React is literally a library that stores everything you do, so you don't have to go through the long process of starting everything again. This was a framework that was created by Facebook and is one of the most popular, most used frameworks of today. It's used by Facebook and another popular company like Netflix. So you can tell it's a pretty big deal. Other companies that use it are companies like Airbnb, Uber, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and I think Reddit, but that's not the focus of today. Anyway, moving on. React is a user interface library. So basically, React makes it painless to create user interfaces, design simple views for each state in your application, and React will efficiently update and render just the right components for when your data changes. React is a tool for building user interface components. React is a framework that is component based. You can build encapsulated components that manage your own state and compose them to make complex user interfaces. It also uses JSX. This isn't completely, it's not the only thing you can use, but it does also use JSX. It's compiled down to raw JavaScript. Okay, so now to installing React. How to install React. The first thing you want to do is install Node.js. Node.js, as the name implies with the JS in it, it is a JavaScript. It is an open source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a browser. So what this is literally it just has a bunch of programs in it that is going to help you install React. So it's the first thing you want to do. All you need to do is go online, look for Node.js, and it will come up. You want to make sure you're installing the latest version, because the latest version comes with Node, NPM, and NPX. These are all things that will help you in the installation of React. So the next thing you want to download is a software called Webpack. What Webpack is it's literally a compiler that puts all the different React models together. So the reason why you need this is in situations where you want to have maybe the model you have right now doesn't have certain features, another model has it. So you don't want to run the risk of having having a model that doesn't have the features you want. So what this does is it compiles all the React models together and puts them in one place. It's a compiler. That's what it does. So you want to download Webpack? Just look it up online. The next thing you want to download is a software called Babel. Babel. So what this is, remember when I said React uses JSX? What this is going to do for you is this is used to compile it down to raw JavaScript. So Babel basically helps you write in a kind of futuristic way, while boils down to JavaScript that works in older browsers as well. So it doesn't matter which browser you have, it's going to work. So next thing you want to do, you obviously need an editor. So you want to get an editor downloaded and installed. I personally use Visual Studio, but I know a couple of other people use Atom because it's free and it's online. So, and I heard it works fine too. So whatever works for you, it's okay. So you can go, you can get, you can either use Visual Studio or Atom. You need an editor. So honestly, at this point, you have everything you need. So what you want to do now is to actually start installing them. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open Command Prompt. When you get on there, you put in npm. That's the program from when you downloaded Node.js. So you put in npm install Webpack. That's the first one you want to do. When you do that, the next one you're going to do is npm install Babel. So when those two might take a minute, so just let them install. And when that's done, you want to put in code React. Then whatever name you saved your file as, what that's gonna do, it's gonna open up. It's gonna open up a web page, a React web page, and that's basically it. You have everything installed, and you're finally ready to work. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. I'm basically done with the video. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe. So that's it for now. Till the next video. The next video will cover actually using React. Thank you.